Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Notion versus ChatGPT. We're diving deep into two powerful tools that have transformed how we work and organize information. Notion, a versatile workspace, excels in project management and note-taking, while ChatGPT, an advanced AI, shines in content generation and information retrieval. By the end of this comparison, you'll have a clear understanding of each platform's unique advantages and be better equipped to choose the one that aligns perfectly with your personal or professional requirements. Notion truly stands out as an all-in-one workspace, offering unparalleled flexibility for organizing your life and work. Imagine a single platform where you can manage projects, take detailed notes, and even build custom databases. It's perfect for teams collaborating on complex tasks, allowing for seamless communication and progress tracking. With over 50 customizable content blocks, from simple text to embedded videos, Notion empowers you to create pages exactly how you envision them, making it an incredibly powerful tool for productivity. Now, let's turn our attention to ChatGPT, your incredibly versatile AI assistant. This powerful tool is a game changer for content creation and information processing. Whether you need to draft an email, brainstorm ideas, or summarize a lengthy document, ChatGPT can generate human-like text with remarkable speed and accuracy. Its extensive training on a massive dataset means it possesses a broad understanding of countless topics, making it an invaluable resource for research, learning, and overcoming writer's block in just a few seconds. So, which tool is better for you? The answer truly depends on your primary needs. If you're seeking a robust platform for organizing projects, managing tasks, and fostering team collaboration, Notion is your go-to. However, if your focus is on generating content, getting quick answers, or sparking creative ideas, ChatGPT will be your invaluable AI companion. Many users find the most powerful approach is to integrate both, leveraging Notion for structure and ChatGPT for intelligent content creation, creating a truly dynamic and efficient workflow.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.